In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of quickly creating stylized grass in Blender using the geometry nodes. This efficient workflow involves a free add-on available for download on Gumroad. Once you've downloaded the add-on, open Blender and follow along. We'll begin by removing the default cube and then appending the necessary files. Simply navigate to the downloaded file path and select the relevant components. Within the file, you'll find 3 sample stylized geometry nodes, and in this tutorial, we'll focus on adding the stylized grass. By implementing these geometry nodes, the stylized grass is generated automatically, and you'll discover how to manipulate various aspects of it. With easy controls for wind animation, shadows, customization, and more, this technique allows you to quickly create stunning stylized grass for your scenes. Don't miss out on this efficient and creative process to enhance your 3D models.